Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. So while you are playing the Valorant and this is keeping on crashing mid-game, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So close your Valorant application first, then locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click and then select show more options. Click on properties. Now here the Valorant properties will be up. Click on the compatibility tab. Then you will have this option, disable full screen optimization. So I have just disabled the full screen optimizations. Now simply check this box. Again, simply check this box on your case. And then also run this program as an administrator and click on apply and then OK. Then we also need to temporarily disable the antivirus because this might block the application or can cause the error. So click on this show hidden icons on the taskbar. So if you are using any third-party antivirus like the Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, you can simply quit it from here. So if this is the McAfee, Avast, or Malwarebytes, make a right click and then select exit or quit. Then click on the Windows security icon. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then you will have here virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Now temporarily disable the real-time protection. So disable the real-time protection and after that launch the Valorant application. And if it is not crashing this time or the problem has been fixed, then you need to enable it again because this is an important security of your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar, type Task Manager. We also need to disable the Startup Apps. So in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Startup Apps. Then here, change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup apps enabled on your Windows. Now, if you find that startup application unnecessary or unimportant, just simply make a right click and then select disable. Right click, disable. Okay, so once done, click on processes. We also need to close the applications running in the background from here. So if there are applications that you can see right here running which you are not using, let's say for example the camera, if you're not using the camera or the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, just simply make a right click and then select end task. So once done, close this. Then we also need to update our Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options, click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click what it suggests right here. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows, and this will also keep your Windows updated. Now once done, close this and then also make sure that the graphics card driver is updated as outdated graphics card can also cause the issue. So right click at the Start button and then select Device Manager in the list of options. Now here in the Device Manager window, we need to locate the display adapters. This is where you can find your graphics card driver. So you might have a different graphics card driver like NVIDIA or AMD. Just make a right click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. Then we can also try to run the SFC scan to scan for and repair system corrupt files or to check for any integrity violations. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Admin. Then here you need to type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. Now this process will take some time. This will start from 1% and will goes up to 100%. So once this is done, if you receive an error message, then what you can do is you just need to restart your Windows. Then close this. The next method is we can also reinstall the application if the issue keeps on persisting. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then simply type here Valorant.
Mom! Good morning, Mom.
Click on these three dots and then you have to click on Uninstall. And once you have uninstalled the application, what you can do is you just need to simply reinstall it. So in the Windows search bar, open any of your favorite browser like the Microsoft Edge or the Google Chrome. And type here in the search bar Valorant. Download. Hit enter. Now you will find this from the playvalorant.com. Click on the Valorant. Now I guess this is not the official website that. So this is it, playvalorant.com. Sorry for that. I have opened I have opened the wrong website. It is from download the game Valorant, playvalorant.com. It has from en-us. Click on it. Then you will have this option download. So click on that. So it is from playvalorant.com /en-us /download. So as you can see, it is downloading the installer file from here. Once this is done, you just need to simply double click this and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. So this will reinstall the Roblox for you. The Valorant game for you. Sorry for that. This will reinstall the Valorant game for you, so you can just simply continue playing the game. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.